Hello everyone, welcome back into a Wednesday night edition of the Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again talking about the weather. What a beautiful day. Man, it was one of those days you definitely want to play hooky. We had a little cold temperatures this morning, like we were talking last night about frost, and I had quite a few viewers email me that they had frost in their areas, so that was the forecast actually validated. But tonight, we're not looking for frost at all. It's going to be warm enough that it should not be frosty whatsoever. Susan Godden was able to capture this magnificent sunset on the Gilmore Trail. Look at the colors. That is gorgeous shot. And as always, if you have a photograph you want to share, send it to photos@ktvf11.com. Your numbers look like this. Today's high, 57 degrees. The overnight low last night, 31 at the airport. The record high was 74. That was in 1917. 18 degrees in 1922. Sunrise and sunset, 14 hours and 32 minutes of daylight, a loss of 7 minutes from yesterday. Our satellite and radar showing a little bit of energy moving in from the southwest, and that's going to result in quite a bit of rainfall over the south central sections into the southwest, but all of it's going to stay south of the Alaska Range. We're not looking for any cloud cover even, because high pressure is going to continue to protect all of the interior and the eastern half of the state. Now, as far as what's going on across the state today, well, over southeast Alaska, another nice day, lots of sunshine, 61 degrees at Juneau. In Anchorage, some showers around there, 65 degrees. Kodiak, even the showers and an isolated thunderstorm, 57. Over the Cold Bay region, some scattered showers, 59 degrees. Up and down the west coast, temperatures very consistent, 56 at Bethel, 53 at Nome. And north of the Brooks Range, a little warmer for Barrow, 43 degrees for the high there. Fort Yukon at 57. Lower 48 weather, the hot temperatures continue across the Central Plains into the Rockies, 92 degrees at Denver, the same for Salt Lake City. More rain falling across the Pacific Northwest, and it's really helping out the firefighters there. And 95 degrees in Billings, Montana. Another hot day in Dallas, over 100 degrees for Phoenix and Las Vegas. Over the eastern side of the country, looking at temperatures very hot there too, 94 in St. Louis, the same for Washington, D.C., not quite 90 degrees in New York City, very warm and humid across the deep south. On the satellite and radar, again, more rain and thunderstorms moving across the deep south, helping to add to flooding conditions around the Galveston, Texas area, right across the Gulf of Mexico. More showers over the northwest, or the Central Plains and the Midwest, and another frontal boundary bringing more showers across the Pacific Northwest. Now, the heavy thunderstorms, like I said, are really bringing a lot of localized flash flooding, torrential downpours, and travel delays because of the reduced visibility in the storms, and it's very warm and humid too on top of that, so a real mess down there. The new jet stream is changing again, very high on the eastern side of the country, a big dip down across the northwest and the western half, which means more showers and cooler temperatures and a really good chance to battle those fires that they've been working on for the last couple of months. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow. The northern sections, mostly sunny skies at Barrow, a few rain showers in Nome, but lots of sunshine at Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, look at this forecast. Plenty of sunshine for Delta and Fairbanks, and just a few clouds at Healy. While over the southeastern sections, mostly sunny skies for Juneau, partly cloudy skies at Ketchikan. To the southwest we go, and looking at rain for Cold Bay and Bethel, and rain developing in Kodiak. And over the south central regions, looking at periods of rain scattered across the entire region. So wet forecast there. Once again, time for our kids' weather. And tonight, we're going to be talking with another young man who has a question for me about clouds.
Hi, my name's Gabriel Schaefer in Miss Smith class, Anderson Elementary. My question is for the weatherman: how does clouds get made?
Obviously, you need moisture in the air and a little bit of dust to help the raindrops form, and that's how the clouds get formed. Again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather, and tomorrow night the entire class will be here. Tomorrow night, or actually tonight's forecast, 38 degrees, not nearly as cold. Auroras are possible. Tomorrow's forecast, 68 degrees, more brilliant sunshine, and even warmer than today, close to 70 degrees. And the extended forecast calling for temperatures in the 60s all the way across the board. No precipitation expected. Overnight lows once again right around 40 degrees, and no more frost expected either. And a good thing for there. Did you guys see frost this morning when you got up this morning?
I tried not to look. I just tried not to look.